Good morning, student. Let's start today's class. Your unit 7 is completed, and from now we will discuss your unit 8, which is wind energy converts. Wind energy converts. This is your chapter 8. Okay. After this chapter, only one unit is there. Okay, to complete your syllabus. Now let us discuss in this chapter. Okay. Now first of all, let's see the historical development, okay, on wind energy conversion. Okay, what is the historical or what is the history of the conversion of wind energy? Let us see. Okay, the power of wind has been utilized by making over thousands of years. Okay, earlier wind energy converse were essentially used for grinding cereal and for driving water pumping work. Okay, this that means the in before wind energy. Okay, wind energy is used, or wind energy converse is used to grind the cereal. Cereal means grind the let's say mustard seed, or grind the fennel seeds to extract the oil, or and mm, and and for driving water pump. Okay, for driving water pump it is also used. Okay, in Europe wind wheels were introduced in 1200s, probably due to the uh, crusade of the Orient. Okay, crusade of the Orient. These wind wheel were preferably used for grinding cereal, and they are called windmills. Okay, in Holland, on the other hand, several wind wheel were also used to drive screw-shaped conveyor. Okay, which were used to reclaim land below sea level. Okay, then in 1700 to 1800, the art of windmill construction reached its milestone. Okay, listen, student. This is the theory part. Okay, here there is no concept in this theory part, so you should remember all this data. Okay, the the year. Okay, and the country name where the windmill is discovered. Okay, you should remember this. Okay, there is no concept behind this, or there is no concept fact which I discuss here. Okay, so now let's see the of windmill construction reach milestone. Okay, in which year, 1700 to 1800, this windmill construction reached the peak of its, okay, or zenith of its. In 1800, Euler Euler dealt with a wind wheel. Okay, wind wheel theory. Even today, Euler's equation is one of the most important basic principle in turbo machine construction. Okay, Euler's equation. Remember this. An old windmill of 14th century shown in figure. Okay, this is the old windmill, Dutch windmill. Okay, here you see. Okay, then in 1900, windmill were developed further, and a design of multi-blade, okay, frame windmill originated in USA. Okay, these systems were made from 16 to 32 vanes. Okay, and commonly used for pumping water. Okay, you see in 11.2, this is the multi-vane windmill. Okay, this is one vane. Okay, side vane. This is vane, main vane. Okay, and this is also one vane. Okay, vane means blade. Okay, so this multi-vane is used for water pumping purpose. Okay, by using a wind T in the lower direction, the rotor is turned in the direction of the wind. Okay, an important characteristic of multi-vane wind rotor is that the number of rotation is small. Okay, in case of water pumping system, an exact regulation of the number of rotation is not required. Okay, water pumping windmill have a mechanical safety system against wind storm. Okay, then the swift development of wind energy technique lead to the use of windmills for electricity, okay, generation. In figure shows the modern multi-blade wind energy conversion. Okay, this is the modern multi-blade. 1 minute. This is the multi-vane wind energy generator. Okay, this is multi-vane. Vane means multi-blade. Okay, and this main vane is there because of always because of the direction of this rotor, or direction of this wind mill. Okay, always in the towards the direction of the airflow. Okay, then in wind electrical generator, however, the requirements are entirely different from other of the wind water pump. Okay, the number of rotation for a wind electrical generator should be higher so that the generator can be small and cheap. Okay, furthermore, it could help in keeping the gear transmission lower. Okay, with the result that the gear can be fabricated cheaper and more flexible to generate a constant current in spite of the fluctuation in the wind velocity. The number of rotation should be controlled and regulated. Okay, these requirements lead to the development of an wind energy converter with the name of high speed engine. Okay, this converter, okay, consists of only a few uh, aerodynamically optimized rotor blade, okay, which can be turned along their long axis of the for the purpose of the regulation. Okay, so that this is the high speed wind energy conversion. Now in nowadays this type of wind blade or wind energy converter is used for getting or for converting wind energy to electric energy. Okay, this is having three blade, aerodynamic blade. Okay, long very long blade. Okay, for uh, getting the high speed. Okay, now high speed wind energy generator fabricate nowadays have only two or three blade and can deliver power from a few kilowatt to few megawatt. Okay, few hundred kilowatt to megawatt. Okay, all kind all wind energy converts described so far he have to horizontal axis or rotation, and hence these are known as horizontal axis rotor. Okay, that means in this here the rotation is here. You see, the rotation is here, the motor is there, or sorry, generator is there, the rotation is horizontally. Okay, sorry, here 1 minute. Here you see all wind energy conversion described so far have a horizontal axis of or rotation and hence these are known as horizontal axis rotation. Here the rotation is like this, horizontal, okay, like this. Here also, here motor is there, generator is there, okay, and rotation is horizontally, okay, horizontal axis, in horizontal axis. But wind wind machine with the vertical axis have also been developed, okay. An earlier example is 3 megawatt derived rotor developed in Germany in 1980. Such machine have the advantage of placing the generator, gear and electronic circuit on the ground, providing an easy maintenance. The main disadvantage of this vertical axis machine are the generation of pulsating torque during each revolution and large bending moment that lead to instability. Okay, in vertical axis rotation means there is in the ground, at the ground there is all generator and one transmission line is there, which transmission line convert this rotation here transmit this rotation into to the generator. Okay, so the advantage is that uh, since the generator and all the motors are in the ground, so that the so that for repairing the generator and calculate or repairing purpose it is easier. Okay, and disadvantage is that the transmission, due to the transmission, okay, due to this transmission there is a loss, okay, rotation loss, and also when the when the rotor bends, this transmission line also get destroyed. Okay, this is the disadvantages. Okay, that's all. That means this all this history is the history of uh, wind energy converts. Okay, you should remember uh, all those years and countries, okay, are discovering first, the first discover of windmill, okay, then the first discover of multi-blade frame windmill, okay, then which country discovered that, remember that, and also you remember there that the today's like, the the vertical axis, okay, vertical axis, the vertical axis windmill, where is it situated, remember uh, all this fact. Okay, that's all, thank you.